In 1959, 9 Soviet hikers vanished high in the Ural Mountains after setting off on a winter expedition. When rescuers found their tent ripped open from the inside and abandoned boots in the snow, suspicion grew. Investigators listed multiple theories, from an avalanche to a military test, but none fully explained the injuries still unsolved. Some remains were found scattered across the forest, with lasting questions about hypothermia, trauma, and environmental clues. Today, the Dyatlov Pass incident remains one of the coldest unresolved travel mysteries, inviting fresh evidence to this day.